The DLC Weld Force Gauge with a large, full 5-digit LCD display from Tuffaloy. This stable, easy-to-use gauge is environmentally sealed for rugged applications. Read it in the unit of your choice: pounds, kilonewtons, kilograms, or newtons. The Tuffaloy DLC Weld Force Gauge is known for its accuracy of 0.50% and 150% load cell overload capacity, as well as its fast 500 millisecond response time and standard peak hold readings. In addition to its precise and affordable reliability, the gauge has NIST traceable certification and can be returned to your Tuffaloy distributor for recertification when required. The gauge will consistently handle backup electrodes of various sizes and shapes, and the large pinch point landing pad requires only a 9/16" electrode gap. For more information and to order your DLC Weld Force Gauge, contact your Tuffaloy Resistance Welding Products distributor.